Number 1. Derelicts and goods recovered from sea or from abandoned wrecks are under jurisdiction of A. Port nearest the principal office of consignee on record. Letter B. Intended port of arrival of the vessel. Letter C. Port where the goods arrived. And letter D. None. These are not under jurisdiction of any port. Number 2. Who may claim derelicts and goods recovered from sea or from abandoned wrecks? Letter A. Underwriter. Letter B. Owner. Letter C. Salvor. And letter D. All of the above. Number 3. Derelicts and goods recovered from sea or from abandoned wrecks shall be retained in the custody of the Bureau. If not claimed, they are deemed property of the salvor. Letter A. Both statements are true. Letter B. Both statements are false. Letter C. Only the second statement is true. Letter D. Only the first statement is true. Number 4. The customs officer nearest the scene of the wreck at sea under Section 418 of the CMTA shall take charge of the goods saved and shall immediately notify the blank or the nearest customs office. Letter A. Collector. Letter B. Commissioner. Letter C. Philippine Coast Guard. And letter D. The Bureau of Immigration and the Bureau of Quarantine. Number 5. Customs officer who represent the blank at the salvage shall examine and receive the inventory made on derelicts and goods from abandoned wrecks to prevent any attempt to commit fraud. Letter A. Collector. Letter B. Commissioner. Letter C. Philippine Coast Guard. And letter D. Bureau of Immigration and Bureau of Quarantine.